A few people have asked me lately about the Wave and what it is, and so I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough. The Wave is a online platform of tools, education, and community for engineers, especially hardware engineers, R&D, process development, mechanical product design, etc., etc. So this is the home page, and there are a variety of, again, tools, education, and community. I'll just walk through some of it. We've got the Being an Engineer podcast, so over 200 episodes interviewing real-world engineers, learning about how they do their work and some pro tips. We've got design accelerators, which are pre-packaged CAD design solutions. So this is not, for example, what you might find on GrabCAD. These are engineered solutions, prepackaged design files that we have already built and tested, and we know that they work. Many of them include drawings, and if there are third-party components such as McMaster or DigiKey, those files and links to those files are included as well. All of the part numbers. Most of these are free. A few of them, there's a small cost associated with it. But you can think of this kind of like low code for software, where it's just kind of a pre-packaged, pre-built mini solution that you can drop into place in your design. We've got a store with a variety of items in there. There's PDX access. This is from the recent Product Development Expo event. All the recorded presentations are available there. A few other things up here. And then under education, we've got a variety of different articles. So product reviews, we've got some air bearings, this really cool company called FixtureWorks and their quarter turn fasteners, voice coil motors. If you're not familiar with voice coil motors, they're very cool. Check those out. We've also got some general things, leadership articles, productivity, right? Systems aligned with goals, time management, hustle culture, knowing when to ask for help. And what else we got? Education, the courses. So most of these courses are free. These bottom 5 are all free. Learn about a variety of manufacturing processes. We've got all kinds of different processes here that you can learn about. There are courses about mechanics, courses about hardware. Maybe you don't know how a dowel pin is used and how it's used in different applications. Resilient CAD modeling, a cool way to model that prevents your feature tree from blowing up when you have to make changes. And then, of course, we've got the PDX accelerator recordings here, all 6 presentations that are available. And there's some supplementary documents that are exclusively available through the online access. In the community section, there's a job board. So if you have a job and you're looking to hire someone, you can post that job here. There's a mentoring section, which is really cool. There are quite a few different engineers here who have volunteered to be mentors to other engineers in the community. So if you're looking for advice on your career or how to grow professionally, new technical skills to learn, these are folks who have volunteered their time. Most of them, I think a couple of them charge, but a lot of them are just free. They're engineers, senior engineers who want to give back to the next generation. Portfolios, maybe you're applying for a job and you want somewhere to host some of your work online, photos or videos of past projects that you've performed. This can be made private so that only people to whom you give access can see it if you want to keep it very confidential. We have a growing list of vendors. These are just useful vendors for product development, for engineering projects that different engineers in the community have identified and are listing out here. A few categories that we don't have anyone yet, so if you know people who are great in those categories, jump on here and add them. Anyone can add a vendor as long as you're a member of the Wave community. We've got forums, of course, for technical writing, forums about CAD. We've got some educational resources, a bunch of general topics, personal projects, lots of 3D printing stuff, etc., etc. So anyway, that's a brief overview of the Wave. It's free to join. Most of the content on the Wave is also free, and it's a great place to connect with other engineers. You can message people back and forth and just increase your overall engineering skills. If you have any questions about this, hit me up on LinkedIn or shoot me a message in the Wave.